Hello, welcome back. It's part 3. This is where it gets fun. I'm going to give you a time lapse. I'll slow down the important parts, but I'm not going to talk because I sound like I know absolutely nothing, which would be correct, but still. Point is, I'm going to do this with pallets. Now, the pallets I have are giant. These are something like 1.70 m by 1.40 m. They're huge, and I want to stagger them slightly so that we can create shelving on the inside of the water closet for TP and all that kind of thing, whatever. So hope you enjoy my music choice. I'm going to start getting into the build. So yeah. Okay, so sometimes ain't nothing to it but to do it. That's it, I guess. Now we need to cut plyboard for these walls to make sure the water closet has its privacy. So that's coming up next. Okay, so for those of you with a keen eye, yes, I folded. I purchased some hardware for this build, but purely and only because we've thought of a plan that can make this build look a bit better. End of the day, we'll have a few lights under this little ledger, downlights, just to make it look pretty. And we bought a very healthy, energy saving little small round bulkhead for the bathroom light. That's a dog moaning to eat rabbit. Anyway, so we bought some things, but the main build is still going no purchases. So from here on, we have to do some wiring and electrical work just to ensure that everything is done before we finish up the closing up of the wall, if that makes sense at all. I don't know, but here we are doing it anyway, so keep watching, enjoy the music. Okay, so I went ahead and did the electric without your viewing pleasure, because I figured I might do something that's code this side in South Africa, and seeing as we have a bunch of people from England, India, States, all over watching our videos, I didn't really think I should influence you in any way to, do it my way and maybe go off code. I don't know. So to play it safe, I went ahead and did all the electric. I'll go around and show you the inside of the water closet. I moved this light from that hole in the ceiling that you probably can see, and now I put up some board. Now the board here has gaps everywhere, seeing as this wall has been built and rebuilt and something, so the angles on this wall is just really off. And yeah, that's going to be it for part 3. I don't think I showed you too much of the goings on, but yeah, I think quickly run you around to the water closet inside, so I can show you what I did that side. Okay, approaching the water closet, we still need finishings on this side, so it's not quite a done project yet. So here you can see my closing wall at the bottom. Then moving up, we have a shelf where my wiring is. Don't look at that too much. It's not set in its place as of yet, seeing as we have some more wiring coming down and going into downlights. Alright, so I put in the bulkhead. This bulkhead gave me a bunch of trouble, but I also added in a little extractor fan that I open up into the ceiling, so that if any smells come out, it goes up, if you know what I mean. I've installed my little switch right here. It's nice and high, hidden. This wall will be painted to look like shiplap. We're gonna close the shelf off here. Same with that one. Same with this one. Be closed off right there. And I think at the end it's going to be pretty. This shelf moves there because this is my shoulder height. I'm not really fond of that. That's awkward having a step ladder there. But anyway, where that step ladder is, that's where the golden throne will be seated. So yeah, that's about it for little part 3. Alright, so that's about it for part 3. I'm still going to finish off a couple of things, bulbs for these downlights, and this side will not be closed with wood or anything. To keep it open enough, we will be putting in curtains that hang past everything to keep your little dressing room idea a bit more secret. And also, if you need to feel more space, just pull back the curtains and the room will feel like it opens up. So thinking ahead on that one. And also, I don't really have that much material left, so there's that. But yeah, thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching part 3. Next up is part 4, and that's going to be in a couple of days time, seeing as I still need to figure out well, the door, the frame, how I'm going to hang the... I still have things to figure out, so stay tuned for part number 4, coming to your screen soon enough. Thanks for watching, stay safe, God bless, we'll see you soon right here on the Bearded Hobby Homestead. Thanks for watching.